Hey guys, the Ancient Chobits here. Today it's me, Kevin, Nathan, and Griffin running. But there's a twist to this. We have cable ties on our laces.
Zip ties.
Zip ties, cable ties. Alright? These cable ties, we're gonna run this park. We're gonna run this park with it. Patrick's now gonna run, walk through to show you what course we have to run.
Alright, here we go. So first is up these dino stairs, through here, up these stairs, down these stairs, over this little bridge, here, down this slide, and then they would come over to this rock wall, and they would go up it, and across this bridge again, up these stairs, and down this middle slide here.
Alright.
Gosh darn it. And they have to do it with those zip ties on their feet.
Yep.
Yeah.
They're so beautiful. Alright.
Like
who's gonna be the first one to go?
Me. At the same time.
No,
Griffin goes first. I go then Ken goes.
Alright, I'll go last. Griffin, go first.
I don't want to go first. Alright.
Fine.
First up is Griffin on this course. I got a stopwatch here. Alright, ready, Griffin? Mm-hmm. 3, 2, 1, go.
Griffin's gonna fall. Oh, Jesus Christ.
This is like Wipeout. He's like falling over everything. He's down the slide.
I broke my ankle.
He thinks he broke his ankle. Yeah, you can do this, Griffin. When he reaches the bottom of the slide, the timer ends. The middle one. Middle one.
Oh my God.
What are you doing with your knees?
Stop. 30 seconds. 30.1.
30.1 seconds for...
Next up, we have our special guest from far away.
From Wyoming.
Yes. All right, ready? Ready, special guest?
All to you girls out there.
The race will begin in 3, 2, 1, go.
Down the slide up here.
Yeah, down the slide straight away. Straight ahead. Down at the bottom, coming around to the rock wall. It's at 20 seconds. Will he beat the time of Griffin? 24, 25, 26, 28, 29. Stop. 30.24.
Liar, I got there before that.
He lost to Griffin by 0.14 seconds.
Now he's gonna cut off his cable ties because he's a baby.
Up next is Kevin on this amazing race. All right, ready? 3,
He's not really that
2, be quiet. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1.
my-
All right, 3, 2, 1, go. He's doing good. He's at 8 seconds already down the slide. 12 seconds coming up the rock wall.
He wins. He wins.
15,
He wins.
17, 18, 19, 20. 20.67 seconds for Kevin.
You're gonna have that.
Beat him by almost 10 seconds. Oh, man. And the last one to run this course is Marcos.
Gotta do some stretches, you know.
Trying to beat 20 seconds here. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I don't know about that. 4 seconds, 5 seconds, 6 seconds. Oh no.
I'm the
11,
best.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And he is coming in last.
Obviously. Oh, God. Oh. Hey, guys, guess what? My cable ties came off.
All right. Well, we have a clear winner. We have a clear winner in this little race challenge.
1, 2, 3, 4. Duh, that's Marcos. Yeah, duh.
And This is our winner.
Guys, my cable tie broke.
First is the worst, second is the
My
best.
shoe, someone
Yo.
tried this.
My cable tie.
Wrong.
Alright, guys, so that
Get money.
was that was the ancient Chubbits
Asian
running.
Chubbits.
The ancient Chubbits running with cable ties on their feet. So the fastest was Kevin. He looks like he's a bit dazed.
He had the tightest too.
He had the tightest cable ties out of all of us.
Marcos's cable
I probably
tie
had the
came
worst
off.
fail because I had the worst time and my cable ties broke off my feet. So
Yep.
I'm strong or
He was at the slide and down it at 8 seconds.
it's either I'm strong or that was just really fail. Anyway, next time we're gonna do cable ties on our hands and try to do a challenge. Until then, the ancient Chubbits.
See ya.
Hey guys, the ancient Chubbits here.
We have a winner!